Okay, so here are those extra examples I mentioned that I had for you. Hopefully you've worked on them. Let's factor these trinomials. First things first, number one, what are you going to do? Make sure it's in descending order, is it? Excellent. Then what? Look to see if you can take anything out. Is there anything in common? Nope. Then what? Make 3 terms into 4. Got it. How? I heard you. Take the lead coefficient, multiply by the constant, and that gives us negative 36. And then find all the combinations that multiply to negative 36. Okay, let's see if my combinations that I'm writing on the board agree with your combinations. I'm hoping they do. Well, gee, the 3 is right there, isn't it? And let's see, after 4 is 5. Oh, 6. After 6 is 7. Nope. 8. Nope. Okay. Well, I don't have to because the 9 is, we're good. All right. So, do I have any combination that will add to a positive 16? Right there. And again, if you saw it as we were writing, then you could have just stopped. We didn't need to write these other ones had you noticed it immediately. All right, what am I going to do with that combination? I'm going to replace the 16, the positive 16, with these two numbers, so I've got 4 terms. All right, so we have 3x squared minus 2x plus 18x minus 12. Yes? Now what? Group. Okay, let's group it. Here's what I'm seeing. Tell me what you're factoring out of the first pair, an x. Second pair, good, it's positive because that first term in pair number 2 is positive, and it looks like a 6. All right. So, first pair, you factored out an x. What remains? 3x minus 2. Got it. Second pair, you factored out a plus 6. What remains? 3x minus 2. Yay! Okay, last line. Give you like a second to write it. Okay, my turn. You're like, hey, that wasn't a second. Well, sorry, half a second. But regardless, you all got that same thing, yes? Good job. All right, let's look at number 2. Good, it's in descending order. Nothing in common to factor out. Make it into 4 terms by multiplying the 9 and the 4. Okay, let's see if we can keep an eye on it. We need a negative 12, don't we? All right, so I'm going to write my combinations. I'm keeping an eye out for a negative 12. Hopefully, I can find it before I write all the combinations down. At least hopefully it's there. So after 3 is 4. Okay, so well, 4 times 9, right? 5, 7. Oh, they were going to make me wait till the end, weren't they? It's the very last combination I'm writing. All right, good enough. The point is we have one, because if we don't have one, that can't go any further. So, 9a squared minus 6a plus 4. And then group it, understood. A 3 and an a. Second, take out a negative, okay. 2, got it. All right, so you took out a 3a from the first pair. That's a 3a, and then a minus 2. Took out a minus 2 from the second pair. That's a positive 3a minus 2. Good, factor out what's in common, which is the parentheses, and what remains is 3a minus 2. I got a binomial times itself. You could either leave it written out twice, or you could write it with the square. Your choice, doesn't matter. Good? Okay, 2 more examples coming your way. Hold on. Okay, so I mentioned, I think, that I had 2 more examples coming your way. I actually have 1 more example coming your way. So here we are. Tell me, what are you doing first? Ah, descending order. Got it. Tell me what to write. 8x to the fourth minus 24x to the third plus 18x squared. Wonderful. Now what did you decide to do? Ah, something in common. What's in common? All right. So, again, for us visual people, you decided to take out 2. All right. And an x. How many x's? Yeah, squared, because the most this one has to give is 2. So I'm going to take everything it has. Right? Okay. So tell me what this looks like when you factor out a 2x squared. Looks like 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. Huh. That problem's looking familiar, isn't it? Regardless, we're still going to work it out. Now what? Make 3 terms into 4 by taking the lead coefficient times the constant. Sorry, that's a positive 36. Find all the combinations. Good. Some of you have the combination already. I get it. But I'm going to be consistent as I am going over the process because I want to make certain that if anybody out there is like, I'm still not quite getting those combinations, you see the combinations. I'm just starting with the number 1, then going to 2 and 3, 4, 5 doesn't work. 6 certainly works. And I don't have to try 7 because there's no numbers left between the 2 6s for me to count further. Yep, last combination because I need a negative 12. So I'm going to do it down here. I'll write the answer over there. Now, okay, so we're going to have 4x squared minus 6x plus 9. Group. What are you taking out? The 2x. Aha, good. A negative 3. You guys are doing great. I'm just trying to keep up with you. Okay, I'm hearing 2x minus 3. Took out a minus 3. And we have a positive 2x minus 3. Yay, parentheses are the same. So take out the parenthesis. And what remains? 2x minus 3. So I've got a binomial times itself. I could write it as the quantity of 2x minus 3 squared. I can write it that way, or I could just keep the parentheses written twice. Either way. Okay, so hopefully by now you feel more confident about factoring trinomials. Have fun, guys. I'll catch you on the flip side.